Today I am reviewing the Skytech Gaming Nebula Desktop PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Skytech Gaming Nebula Desktop PC is a powerhouse built for gamers who demand performance, speed, and reliability in one sleek package. If you've been searching for a desktop capable of running the latest AAA titles at high settings, handling creative workloads, and giving you a future-proof gaming experience, the Nebula Desktop is designed to deliver on all fronts. Let's start with the heart of this machine, the AMD Ryzen 7 5700 processor. This CPU features 8 cores and 16 threads, running at a base clock of 3.7 GHz and capable of turbo boosts up to 4.6 GHz. What this means in practical terms is lightning-fast responsiveness and smooth multitasking. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or running multiple applications simultaneously, this processor handles everything without breaking a sweat. Its multi-threaded performance also makes it ideal for content creators who edit videos, render 3D models, or work with heavy productivity software. Paired with this powerful CPU is 32 GB of DDR4 3200 RAM, which provides ample memory for modern gaming and multitasking. From running multiple browser tabs, Discord, and streaming software to high-end creative applications, you'll notice zero lag or stutters. This makes the Nebula not just a gaming machine, but also a capable workstation for productivity and content creation. Storage is another area where the Nebula shines. It comes equipped with a 1TB Gen 4 NVMe SSD, which is up to 30 times faster than traditional hard drives. This means ultra-fast boot times, near-instant game loading, and smooth operation when handling large files. You won't have to worry about waiting for assets to load or your applications lagging behind. Of course, no gaming PC is complete without a strong graphics card, and the Nebula does not disappoint. It features the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 Ti 16GB GDDR7, which is perfect for running games at 1440p Quad HD resolution with ultra settings while maintaining 60+ FPS or more. Titles like Call of Duty, Fortnite, Elden Ring, Valorant, Apex Legends, Black Myth Wukong, and Dragon's Dogma 2 all run beautifully, delivering immersive visuals with smooth gameplay. You also get the benefit of ray tracing and NVIDIA's suite of advanced graphics features for the most realistic gaming experience possible. The Nebula's cooling system is another highlight. It comes with a high-performance air cooler and ARGB fans, ensuring maximum airflow while keeping noise levels low. The black mesh front design not only looks premium, but also aids in thermal efficiency. Even during extended gaming sessions or intensive creative tasks, the system stays cool and quiet, giving you a focused and enjoyable experience. Connectivity and expandability are also impressive. You get HDMI and DisplayPort outputs for monitors, multiple USB 2.0, 3.0, and 3.2 Gen 1 port for peripherals, high-definition audio jacks, and built-in Wi-Fi 802.11 AC. Additionally, the Nebula includes a free gaming keyboard and mouse, so you're ready to jump into games straight out of the box. Skytech also backs this PC with a 1-year warranty on parts and labor, along with free technical support. Assembling and testing are done in the USA, which adds peace of mind for buyers looking for quality assurance and reliable after-sales support. What makes this PC particularly appealing is its ability to run not just today's games, but also future titles at ultra settings without compromise. With 32 GB RAM, Gen 4 SSD, and RTX 5060 Ti, you're getting a system that's future-ready, capable of handling AAA games for years while maintaining high performance and smooth visuals. Overall, the Skytech Gaming Nebula Desktop PC is a premium gaming and productivity solution. It combines a powerful Ryzen 7 CPU, high-end RTX graphics, large fast SSD storage, and plenty of RAM into a package that's designed to impress. Whether you're a hardcore gamer, a content creator, or just someone who wants a high-performance desktop that can handle anything thrown at it, the Nebula Desktop delivers. In short, if you want top-tier performance, future-proof gaming, and reliable multitasking in a desktop that's built to last, the Skytech Gaming Nebula is an excellent choice. It's not just a PC. It's a complete gaming and creative powerhouse ready to take your experience to the next level.